To our right.
Now here is our headphone jack right here. Now let's see our new one compared to our old one.
Seems like
it's in the shadows right now. There we go. So you can see that. Are you gonna focus? This one here is definitely bent up.
I felt something bending.
Okay, so where we forget where this went, which I already think I did. Kind of sits like that. And this just kind of goes over the top carefully and easily. You can see where all those little connections are right down there, all those little dots. Okay, so now we're going to put this on here. We're going to get our black wire that snaps in place. We're going to pull him up here. Take this board, we're going to tuck it underneath our top buttons where it needs to go. And it just kind of gets pushed into place. Then we're going to take our two screws, put them back in there.